There are so many product options available on Archify that it can be hard to keep track of your favorites. Rather than searching your preferred products each time you log in, save them all in one place using the My Library feature. My Library can be easily found on your home feed and will give you an overview of the number of products you have saved. Or it can be accessed from any page on Archify by hovering over the user menu in the top right-hand corner. Your personal Archify library is automatically sorted by product category for easy navigation, or it can be conveniently sorted by alphabetical order, newest added, or by brand name. Each product added to My Library is supported with technical and specification information, which is automatically updated, so you have the most accurate information always at hand. You can add products to your library in many ways. You can click on the Add to My Library button on any product detail page. You can click the bookmark icon on the top right corner of any product photo from the product listing page. Alternatively, if you have a favorite company or brand, you can add all of their products to your library by clicking All Products. Should you want to remove a product from your library, simply click the bookmark icon.